The Aprilia RSV4 is a superbike manufactured by Aprilia. The RSV4 is Aprilia's flagship model. Aprilia offers two models of the bike, the RSV4 Factory and RSV4R Limited Edition, only $350. For 2016 it is offered in two models, the RSV4RR and RSV4RF. The 2016 updated bike was made to take advantage of and comply with that year's superbike rules, which allow fewer modifications for production bikes. It has more power, is lighter, and has improved handling and electronics. Since 2021 the bike is offered in two models, RSV4 1100 and RSV4 1100 Factory. Now it offers a PRC system, Aprilia Performance Ride Control, that includes engine maps, AEM, engine brake control, AEB, traction control, ATC, wheelie control, AWC, launch control, ALC, cruise control, ACC, speed limiter, apt. 6 riding modes, 3 road, 3 track, and is Euro 5 compliant. The RSV4 1100 Factory is differentiated by Smart EC 2.0 electronically managed Öhlins Nix front fork, Öhlins TTX monoshock with Smart EC 2.0 electronically managed piggyback rear shock and aluminum alloy forged, completely machined, 5-spoke wheels. The motorcycle was unveiled on the 22nd of February 2008 at the International Piaggio Group convention in Milan, Italy. It is powered by a 65-degree 999.6cc, 61 cu in V4 engine, the company's first production 4-cylinder engine. Aprilia claims that the new engine was designed specifically for superbike racing and that the engine will produce over 200 horsepower, 150 kilowatts, in race configuration. Since 2021 the engine's displacement has been increased to 1099 cc, maximum power increased to 217 horsepower, 162 kilowatts, at 13,000 revolutions per minute, and maximum torque to 92.19 feet lbs, 125 newton meters, at 10,500 revolutions per minute. When it comes to a blend of style, performance and cost, the RSV4 1100 may well be the pick of bunch. The first RSV4 was introduced in 2009 and immediately made a big impression thanks to its 180 bhp motor, compact dimensions and then cutting-edge electronics. It took Aprilia to 2 World SBK titles, Max Biaggi in 2010 and Sylvain Guintoli in 2014, before they decided to withdraw and focus on their MotoGP program. Visually the model hasn't changed all that much, but underneath it's much modified from those original bikes. The latest iteration was introduced a few years ago. The standard model gets Sachs suspension, but the 23,000 pounds Factory, currently retailing at 21,300 pounds, version gets fancier Öhlins electronic suspension and lightweight forged aluminium wheels.